Hi guys, it's Steve Dunn here. I'm the pastor at Richmond Baptist Church in the centre of New Zealand in Nelson, and I'm going to be speaking an elective at the Youth of the Nation 2013 conference. We are so excited about coming. I've been there before. We love you guys, and one of my electives is going to be about my family background. And to be honest with you, our story is just ridiculous. I come from a family that has been involved in crime and drug running and arms dealing and just all kinds of silly stuff, and in the middle of all of the filth that we ourselves were involved in, that my family was involved in, Jesus reached down and plucked us out of it, and he's changed us, he's changed our hearts, he's changed the way we think. We love him now, we worship him now. And so if you don't know Jesus, or if you are not sure about this whole God stuff that they go on about at Youth of the Nation, then I want you to come to my elective, because I'm going to be very simple, very clear. There'll be lots of laughs, it won't be boring, you won't fall asleep. You need to be at my elective at the Youth of the Nation 2013. I'd love to see you. God bless. Bye-bye.